welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple, easy, low carb / keto, whatever you like to call it, appetizer or snack, these pizza peppers. Stay tuned and I will show you how to make them. Hey y'all, so this is a really fast and easy low carb snack appetizer / thingy that you can throw together in just a few minutes. Doesn't take a lot of prep work, doesn't take a lot of time to do at all. But anyway, I am filming in the kitchen. The kids are over there playing, so if you hear noise in the background, yeah, that's what that is. But anyway, what you're going to need, some of these mini sweet peppers. I got these at Walmart. You're also going to need some pepperoni, some string cheese, and some Italian seasoning. You can leave this off if you want to. I just like it because it adds a little bit of something, something. You know what I'm saying? You're also going to need a muffin pan. Oh, and I'm going to need a spoon. So let me get a spoon over here. A plastic spoon. All right. So depending on how many peppers you want, that's how many you're going to get out. Pretty simple, right? So anyway, I'm going to get... I like the orange ones for some reason. I don't know. I like the little orange ones. So now you are just going to cut the tops off. I'm just going to put that over there. That can go in my compost doohickey. Oh, look, this is a big pepper. All right. And I'll do the rest here in a minute. But once you cut the tops off, you're going to lose your spoon. Anyway, you're going to take your spoon and just kind of crunch down the insides like that. And you're going to remove the center and just squish it a little bit. And then just take that center out. Like so. And then you're just going to knock all the seeds out. So I'm going to do that for a handful more peppers, and then we're going to come back and we're going to stuff the little darlings. Okay, now that the little peppers, bless their hearts, their little guts have been taken out, now you're going to open up your string cheese. My hands are still wet because I just washed them, didn't dry them off thoroughly. Anyway, you're going to take your piece of string cheese here, and you're just going to cut it into three pieces. Or you can cut it bigger if you want to. You can cut it in half. It depends on what you want to do. Now, this pepper here is pretty big. So I'm probably just going to take one of these and just cut it in half and stick the half down in there, okay? It's just whatever you want to do. Because, see, the carbs are going to come from the peppers. And these peppers, as you can see, some are small, some are large. Roughly, you can see about how big that is in my hand. Roughly about 4.5 net carbs per little pepper. Like I said, this is a snack or an appetizer. This isn't a full meal. So, you know, for my snacks and stuff, I can deal with a little bit higher a higher carb count. There we go. I can deal with that because these are so good. And the thing is, they're very filling, okay? You wouldn't think that one of these peppers would be filling, but believe me, they are. So anyway, what I'm going to do is take my pepperoni and then I'm going to put my cheese on it. Get out of the way. Just put some of my seasoning on it, like so. Then just take it and cram it down inside that pepper. Get down in there. You're just going to smash the little guts. Now, when the cheese starts to melt, this is going to be a lot easier, and this will just slide down in, okay, once they start baking. Anyway, I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to put it in my muffin pan here. Why am I using a muffin pan? Well, because you can get like 3 peppers in one of the little cups, and it will hold them upright so that they don't fall over. And all your melty cheese doesn't run all over the place and make a big old mess. I mean, melted cheese everywhere is not exactly a bad thing, but it is when you're trying to clean it out of your oven. Okay, so now we're just going to cram this down in there like so. And I'm going to stick that in my muffin pan. And like I said, I think I'm just going to take half of this stick and stick them in there because these are large. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to get it all put in my muffin pan. And now you're going to bake them. You're going to put them in the oven, 400 degrees for, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, okay? And the cheese is going to start to bubble just a little bit, and it's going to get all nice and golden brown on the top, and then that's when you know they're done. You're not really looking to cook the bejesus out of these things. Your peppers are not really going to be soggy, but they are going to be a little bit softer than they are now, and your cheese is going to be nice and melted, okay? So 400 degrees, 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my mess cleaned up here, and there's a little bit of seasoning there, but yeah, here they are. They are so good. And look, my cheese oozed. It's all oozy. But yeah, These are so, so good. Look at that cheese. So good and really, really easy. There we go. See? But yeah, roughly, just look at your ingredients, okay? Now, I know that some pepperoni brands, have more sugar in them than others. But the way I had mine calculated up using the ones that I used, roughly 4.5 net carbs per little pepper, and I'll usually eat 2. So, so good and so fast and easy. Anyway, I hope you liked it. And if you would, please give the video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!